Hi, just giving a presentation of the Nissan X-Trail you've inquired about. As you can see, it is in fantastic condition. Literally without a scratch or a dent anywhere on it at all. Factory Nissan tow bar as well. Proximity lock and unlock. All you need is the key in your hand and you can start the vehicle. Logbooks, local Canberra car with full service history. Full leather trim, in extremely good condition, and that massive sunroof. On the screen here, all your satellite navigation, as well as surround view camera. Automatic climate control, heated seats, and 4-wheel drive control there. 2-wheel drive, auto, and lock for off-road. With Nissan's drawer system and storage area in the boot. It can also be removed for extra boot space. As you can see, no dust, no dirt, and very tidy in the engine bay. Great tread on all four, and I've just popped it up on the ramps to show you underneath the car. No dirt, no dust, no scrapes, no scratches. Immaculate condition underneath, inside and out. Excellent off-road with the high torque output of the diesel engine, traction and stability control, working to keep all 4 wheels moving all the time. A piece of cake. Lock. Downhill descent, all in the comfort, heated seats. Not that it's a big hill, but it's done very easily in the X-Trail.